Oh, hello, hello. Look who's here. This is not a Friday. Hopefully, I'm not uploading this on another Friday and it is going somewhere uske pehle. But this is a little off topic with the series which we have going on right now, talking about the placement and how my journey was and all the things I did. That reminds me, if you have not watched the first video yet, I think the second also, the series yet, go ahead, check it out. A lot of people have been loving that. And also, अगर अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है चैनल को, go ahead and do that. In one of my videos I had mentioned LinkedIn and how it's good if you have a LinkedIn in your resume mentioned. But अगर तुम्हारा LinkedIn खाली है तो might as well not keep it khali. Hey, so in this video we are going to be talking about your LinkedIn. So first thing that you're going to do is LinkedIn में तुम login करके you are going to make a LinkedIn for yourself if you do not have one already. Once that is done, we are going to customize the URL. Basically तुम्हारा नाम कर दो URL code and then have a good profile picture. Whatever you want to have as your profile picture for LinkedIn is okay. You can look around and see peers का क्या profile picture है. That gives you a brief idea. Also, make sure that your photo, like your face, is there in the photo. Like you can see, mundi mundi cut nahi hua hai. Make sure it's there. Don't have it like very zoomed in. It's just your face. Don't have that. A little far away so that we can at least see your shoulders. That's a bit like pleasant to look at, nothing else. There are no such rules or anything like that. It's not necessary for you to customize the banner. If you want, you can do that. It's not necessary. Make sure that whatever is in the description is well written. ठीक है, अच्छे से लिख दो उसको. Try to keep it not too crowded. Mine is a little too crowded. I'm working on trying to calm that down a little. But yes, if it's a little too crowded तो फिर वो confusing हो जाता है. Now that is like the first thing that you do. Also, there is a way for you to link your resume. You can very well do that. That would be a good thing to do. Now let's talk about the posts. Now, what all things can you post and things that you should not do, right? Now let's get into that. The first thing is post anything achievement related. So if you've won something, so what all events you are attending, you are a part of, you've participated, you volunteered, whatever it is, just make sure that you mention those things. Think of LinkedIn as your online resume, so it has to be updated as frequently as possible. And if there are changes that you think can be made, do that. If you have not replied to the comments on a post or something, reply to that as well. Make your entire LinkedIn profile as simple but as clear as possible. That would be good. So you'll post anything about the events that you've attended and the insights. So just don't have like, I attended the hackathon 24 held in Navi Mumbai. Nahi, but why, what you did, how long was it for, what you made, and have like pictures which are relevant to it, right? So you can have a the banner of the hackathon, and you can have the picture of your project, of your team, and of you working and stuff like that, so that it makes more sense, so that it becomes like a story. Another thing that you'll do is, if you participated in like say a marathon, or if you were in any non-tech events, right? So any sports related events, or if you were, let's say, in craft wala events, mention about that as well. Talk about the clubs that you are a part of, if you are a part of any of those. It's not like you have to be a part of it. Especially if you are in third year of engineering, I would advise you just leave. तुम पढ़ाई पे ध्यान दो if that is what you want. Okay, I realize that if you that is what you want, you can just yeet out of the clubs. Anyways, so yes, again, talk about the clubs, talk about what you're doing. You can also have like small snippets of your performance or of whatever your club organized, so that it's like cohesive and it makes sense, right? Also, certificates of the courses that you're taking outside of the institute. So say a Coursera course or Neptel course, free code camp, Udemy, all of those things. If you got an internship, hopefully it's not an unpaid internship that everyone does. I've made a video about it. I'll have it linked here somewhere. Go and watch it. Next thing, you can share your thoughts about whatever recent changes and developments are happening, but also always remember to be respectful. Do not ever start a fight in a comment section of your LinkedIn or of anyone's LinkedIn. Just do not do that. Agar you disagree with someone, okay, you disagree, just put forth your point in a very normal way. Do not hate post something, anything, anywhere, especially on LinkedIn, anywhere. कहीं पर भी हेट पोस्ट करने की तुमको ज़रूरत नहीं है. कीप योर एंड बाकी सबके कमेंट सेक्शन भी एज पॉजिटिव एज पॉसिबल. एंड इफ़ यू हैव स्ट्रॉन्ग फीलिंग्स इन द बैड डायरेक्शन, जस्ट close the tab, close, बाहर निकल जाओ, do not type, बाहर निकल जाओ. Okay, and anything other than that, there is nothing. See, maintaining LinkedIn is going to be easier, but तुमको उसको regularly update करना पड़ेगा. अगर regularly update नहीं किया तो you will forget the things you have done, you will forget your achievements. So it's better if you keep your LinkedIn active, and it's not like you have to keep on posting every day. वो तो किसी से भी नहीं होने वाला है, except for if you are a business person or like a social media manager, maybe they would be doing that. So it's not necessary for you to keep on posting continuously, but at least open your LinkedIn and see what other people are doing. Take it as like a motivation, and उससे demotivate होके डिप्रेस मत होना. आई हैव सीन अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल सेइंग दैट लिंक्डइन पे जाके डिप्रेस्ड ही होते हैं या ऐसे वैसे सब. तो उसको पॉजिटिवली ले लो दैट दीज पीपल आर फाइंडिंग दीज अपॉर्चुनिटीज. ये मुझे भी शायद मिल सकता है, सो आई विल कॉन्टैक्ट दिस पर्सन. डू नॉट डू दिस फॉर द अनपेड इंटर्नशिप्स, बाकी करो. ओके, एटलीस्ट फॉर द अनपेड इंटर्नशिप डोंट डू दैट. वो उनको मिल सकता है, उनके पास रहने दो, तुम तुम्हारे घर पे बैठ के प्रोजेक्ट्स बनाओ. दैट इज इट फॉर दिस वीडियो. आई विल सी यू लेटर. बाय बाय.